Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting up the timeline and reference. Do this now. Place your clip on the primary track and create a locked reference layer above it for comparison. Then set keyframe interpolation to smooth or Bezier. This reduces sudden velocity changes. Once done, add motion blur and adjust shutter to 0. 5:1. 0 so movement reads naturally. Make sure to match the project frame rate to your footage, because mismatched FPS will break timing and introduce stutter. You now refine movement by editing motion curves in the graph editor. Switch to the speed or value graph so you see velocity changes, then convert linear tangents to Bezier handles and ease keyframes. This creates natural acceleration and deceleration. Once done, stagger secondary keyframes by about 2-6 frames to simulate follow-through, and nudge handles to remove spikes. Make sure to preview at full playback speed, because small curve tweaks look different in real time versus frame by frame. Finish by polishing timing and fixing artifacts. You want seamless motion. Add subframe interpolation or optical flow for gaps, then dial spatial smoothing to reduce jitter by roughly 10–30%. This keeps intent without blurring details. Once done, render a short section at full quality and compare to your reference layer. If problems appear, make sure the project FPS matches the source, resample or conform footage, and if needed, reanimate offending keyframes rather than oversmoothing and losing crispness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.